1. This and that. A thick sweater. Heather has 3 cats. A little kitten. The water bottle. Meeting at the restaurant. 2. I'm excited to try the new Thai restaurant in town. The little kitten is scared by the sound of thunder. The weather is getting warmer this month, so wear light clothing. The water bottle is on the tablecloth next to Teresa's book. That's the thought that crossed my mind during the meeting. 3. Thomas and Heather love the new kitten. Thrilling. They found the playful kitten a month ago, and it brings so much joy to their lives. One day, as Thomas plays with Thrilling, the kitten accidentally knocks over a glass of water. Water spilled onto the soft tablecloth, causing a little panic. But Thomas quickly grabs a towel, and Heather helps him clean up the spill. They laugh together, realizing that even the little mischief with Thrilling makes life more fun.